I do sing. I am a bathroom singer, I can say. Raghav Rao, RR. यहाँ ये और blah 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 blah. मेरा दिमाग पूरा जाके चली गई वो. Otherwise, so yeah. So this is too much. देखिए, all of them. Hi,
Hi,
hi.
how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. After a lot of follow-up, I guess we are doing this live.
Yes, you're giving so many interviews today. You must have got tired since morning answering so many questions.
Yeah, I guess I gave close to 5 interviews today.
Till now, you've already given five.
Yeah, I gave 5 interviews. In the middle, I'm sleeping. Again, I'm getting up. I'm giving the interviews.
Okay.
So that's how.
Okay, so like I have taken a lot of questions and I'll start with the random ones first. Like
Okay.
you must have gotten bored, answering so many questions. So there
Okay.
are still 4 to 5 boring questions I have. Okay.
Yeah,
But
sure. Yeah, we'll
except
go.
that, I have some good ones also.
Hmm.
So the first one is how and when did you started acting?
I started my acting in 2016, back there in Hyderabad, where I used to stay. So it's been like 5 years now.
Okay. So what was the first project in which you acted?
My first project
First
was a
acting
short.
project.
My first project was a short film, and it never came out. Actually, apparently, it never came out. So it's just
Okay.
there lying still.
So why did you wanted to become an actor and who is your inspiration?
I wanted to become an actor because I wanted to express myself. I wanted to explore the shoot. Like it's basically I like the emotions, like how the many actors emote, especially Shah Rukh Khan sir.
Yes.
He's one of like he's a legend, and so I saw him, and that's how it called me up here.
Okay. So your favorite actor and actresses in Bollywood?
I don't have any favorite actresses or actor, but yes, Shah Rukh Khan sir is. Uh, I have I have looked at him, and I really like him, and of course,
Okay.
he's a great inspiration to me. And Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and Irfan Khan. So all these actors have called me up. That is it.
Okay. Your favorite Bollywood movie?
There are many Bollywood movies that I like, many. But recently, I haven't seen any Bollywood, no, neither Hindi or neither Telugu movie I haven't seen because of my
Okay.
schedule, because
Your
of my,
schedule.
yeah.
Okay. So do you sing? It's a question by your fan Ankita. Do you sing?
I do sing. I am a bathroom singer, I can say.
Not a proper singer, na?
I am not a proper singer, but yes, I have sang in my show, and yeah, it's just like with a बेसुरा voice में गाता हूँ. और पता नहीं लोगों को कैसा पसंद आता है, मुझे पता नहीं, but पसंद आता है. I don't know why. How?
So where did you grow up?
I was born in Lonavala, and then we shifted to Solapur, and then again we shifted to, of course, like I was based in Mumbai. Then we shifted to Mumbai, and then we shifted to Hyderabad, and in middle we shifted to Pune also. So it's like too much of
So
shifting.
many places you have visited
Yeah,
already.
it's all mixed up environment where I've grown. So that's the thing.
Okay. So what did you wanted to become when you were a kid?
I wanted to become when you were a kid, like definitely I wanted to become an astronaut then. All kids say the
Okay.
same thing, but it never
All
happened.
kids are like astronaut, doctors, or maybe
Yeah,
cricketers also.
that's that's very silly. Like during a kid, what do you want to become? I know, but yeah.
So what was your first job?
My first job, I worked in an MNC. It's an Australian MNC. I worked there for 6 months, and I came out because I got bored. So I just came out.
Okay. So how many languages do you speak?
There's so many repeated questions. Like, why do fans want to know again and again? I can speak in Hindi, Telugu,
I
Marathi.
don't know, your fans have only sent me these questions, so I've taken.
I can speak in like 4 languages actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your most embarrassing childhood memory?
There are many embarrassing memories.
But
But
anyone that
even
is coming in your mind
I
right
don't have
now
anything
that
right
comes
now,
to
but
mind.
But if I sit and just think, oh, like yeah, definitely. Oh my God, I did this, I did that, I did that. That's very much
It's
embarrassing.
embarrassing.
But yeah, it's too many things are there, embarrassing ones.
Okay. Do you watch cartoons? It's a very silly question. Do you watch cartoons?
I know. I don't even remember when I saw a cartoon film or cartoon series last. I guess during my engineering days. I guess that time I saw. Hmm. Back there in 6 years back or 7 years back, something.
Okay. So, your favorite place for vacations?
My favorite place for vacation, I guess I haven't been there, but I want to go to some European country. I would definitely like to go to
Okay.
the European country.
Okay. So, do you have any useless talent?
Useless. No, if I have any useless standards, that's useless. That's actually very much
Yes, but
useless.
do you
I
have
can't
any?
spend my time on that. So I don't have any useless
Okay.
talent.
You're very busy shooting, you don't know what's happening then.
Yeah, and like if I have useless talent, it's just useless, and I can't spend my time on that.
Yes.
Actually.
I have very silly questions. I have taken so many silly questions.
Oh, please, I'll. Okay, this would be interesting. So
Now
I'll
you
ask
have
silly
to answer.
questions.
Okay,
Answer.
yes, I am asking silly questions.
Yeah.
Are you a prankster?
Yeah, I'm a prankster, but I'm a controlled prankster now. So I used to be a like too much. Like out of 100, I used to be 150% of a prankster. But now I'm very much
So,
controlled.
what was the last prank you did?
You would definitely you shouldn't know that. It was in college.
Okay, okay, that's fine. The most interesting thing you saw or read this week?
My most interesting thing, I just read the most interesting thing half an hour back. That is my next screenplay of my next episode.
Okay. So, what were your best and worst subjects in school?
My best subjects were sciences and worst subject was maths.
Maths is everyone's worst subject.
Yeah, fortunately, yes.
Okay. Any awkward or embarrassing moment while shooting?
No, I never had such like this. I never had.
Okay. Most funniest incident that happened on set? Yeah, that happened on set.
Most funniest incident. No, I'm actually like a bit serious on the set, so I don't know. Is something happening on the any funny incidents happening on the set? But yeah, होते रहता है बहुत कुछ होते रहता है. Especially Jay Mishra, our supervising producer, he's totally funny and he makes all types of different scenes on the set, and he's very much funny. Like,
Okay.
breaks the jokes and all.
Okay. Most favorite fan moment?
There's one specific fan moment where a group of family came all the way from Singapore to
To
Kolhapur where
meet you.
to meet me. So this is too much crazy and out of the box actually.
Okay. But it's good now when fans come to you and meet you, click pictures and all.
Yeah, it's good, but they came all the way from Singapore. So this is too much. They came all the way from Singapore
Okay.
to meet. So it's a
So,
nice, great fan moment
why did you left boxing?
because I can't show a broken face in front of the camera. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. It's a good reason. It's a good reason. The acting industry is said to be full of stress and pressure. So, what do you do to tackle the pressure that comes to you while working?
I just keep it aside. I don't take the pressure. I just
Okay.
keep it aside.
You just work.
क्या करूँगा प्रेशर लेके सफेद बाल आ जाएंगे मुझे.
Okay. Describe your character Raghav Rao in one word.
Raghav Rao. RR. He's full of attitude. He's
Okay.
full of impulsiveness. He's super duper intelligent, and he has his own ways to deal with it. So that's what makes him the most amazing person.
So, did
Oh
you face
yeah, Shivang is messaging, commenting. Stress देता हो लेता नहीं हो.
I
Yeah, of
haven't
course. I
noticed.
मैं stress देता हूँ लेता नहीं हो.
I'm
Shivangi,
not
you are
noticing
actually
the
missing the
chats.
live session. You're actually missing the live session. Apparently, she's somewhere out, so definitely we'll catch
Okay.
up Shivangi next time.
Okay. So, did you face any challenge while taking up Raghav Rao's role?
I didn't face any challenge because well Shivangi she tells me that you to असली का राघव राव है मैं कुछ भी यार असली का राघव राव so maybe that never felt me it never gave like a hurdle it never gave me an obstacle to get into the skin of Raghav Rai, I guess. Let's see. I don't know.
Okay. So, is there any similarity between you and Raghav?
Uh, out of 100, 80%.
Okay. No, any similarity, like you must be having some similarities, like he must be his words or your words, something.
His words, my words. I guess anger when things go out of control. It's the same anger what I have in anyone Raghav has, and yeah, he also thinks a lot and he has his own ways. Even me, I have my own ways. So that's what I do. And
Okay.
yeah. I
Okay.
see 100%. Like, oh my God, she's commenting again. It's 100%.
The Shivangi is here.
She is commenting. She's
I am
sitting
not
somewhere
noticing
and
the
she's
comments. I'm
watching
just
this
focusing
live
on you.
video and she's commenting.
Okay. What, according to you, is the best part of your work?
Best part of my work is me. I'm doing my job. I'm doing my acting, and that's the best part of my work. I love it, so I do
Okay.
it.
Okay. Your most favorite dialogue of Raghav Rao?
Stress देता नहीं हूँ लेता क्या था शिवा समझ fine it's my most favorite word is Adamainda because
हाँ
it
वो
was
वो हर एक
experimental.
डायलॉग के बाद वो वर्ड
Yeah.
लगता ही है.
So, like it's like an experimental word what I kept after a dialogue and that's how it clicked in the show and चल बस बस
Okay.
वो है.
Okay. So what would be your wish? What would you wish to take from Raghav Rao? Okay. What would you wish to take from Raghav?
Nothing. I'm only giving, so I don't wish to take anything. It's good. People are loving it. I'm very much happy, and that's it.
Okay. So what would be your 3 wishes that you want to get fulfilled?
My 3 wishes. I'm doing my work, and I wish I do like this consistently in other projects also. That's my first wish. Second wish, I get good sleep, and my third wish is like I do go to the gym regularly.
Okay.
Very 3 basic wishes I have. I don't expect much. Very basic.
Okay. तो शो में जब पल्लवी ने स्टिक से मारा था तो सच में लगी थी क्या? Okay, these are the questions from your fans only.
If Shivangi is there, can she comment and tell online? हाँ लगा था मुझे थोड़ा लगा था.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, like we are doing acting and all that. We took all the precautions, and but still थोड़ा लगता है. But okay, fine.
Okay. So best part of Raghav Rao according to you?
Best part of Raghav Rao, his attitude.
मतलब something he
His
must
way
be
of
having, na? So that is best.
yeah, his way of dealing his things and his attitude. That's the best part of Raghav Rao.
Okay. So there is another question from your fan. Can you cook?
Yeah, definitely I can cook. I can cook biryani. I can cook. क्या बनाना बोलो?
You can see the recipes from YouTube and cook.
Yeah, definitely I do that also.
Yes. So the next one is a segment that is given by your fan only. Answer as Raghav Rao.
अच्छा, चलो.
You have to answer as Raghav Rao now. Only 3 questions, I guess. Yes. How
Okay.
to please Pallavi?
How to tease Pallavi? Caller Sarika
Please,
Dutta.
please.
Please Pallavi. How to please Pallavi? I guess give her give her ice cream, not ice cream. Give her sweet, rasmalai,
Okay.
kesar rasmalai.
Okay. Okay. So what are most important things to Raghav Rao?
Most important things to Raghav Rao: love, money, and his mom.
Okay. So if Raghav Rao was not a businessman, then what would it be? What would he be? Sorry.
What would he be? If Raghav Rao was not a businessman, what would he be? Of course, he's actually a gangster. He's a don and he is a businessman. But what would he be? He would be working, I guess. He would be working in some company.
Okay. So now there is one last segment. Guess the Raghav Rao's dialogue from its English translations. So I tell you a dialogue of Raghav Rao in English version. So you have to guess which dialogue it is. The original dialogue.
अच्छा अच्छा, oh my god,
Okay.
okay, ठीक है.
Okay, so the first one is Raghav Rao stood here is and always will be. No man has enough power to shake the foundation of Raghav Rao.
ओके, हाँ, या राघव राव था, है और हमेशा रहेगा. किसी में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं कि राघव राव की ये नींव भी हिला सके.
किसी आदमी में इतना औकात नहीं कि राघव राव का नींव भी
मैंने
हिला सके.
बहुत सरल टाइप में बोला है. ड्यूरिंग द टेक आई डू इट इन माय राघव राव स्टाइल.
Okay. So the next one is Raghav Rao is never afraid of any threat nor from the truth. Got it? The got it is Telugu word. Now you know what word it is.
అర్థమైందా? యా యా యా. రాఘవ రావ్
So
కभी
before
किसी
that, you are not audible. You are not audible.
हेलो.
हाँ, okay now.
या या या.
Raghav Rao is never afraid of any threat nor from the truth.
राघव राव किसी सच्चे से डरता नहीं है, ना किसी थ्रेट, व्हाट डू यू कॉल थ्रेट,
धमकी
धमकी से डरता नहीं है. అర్థమైందా?
और ना ही सच से. अर्थమైंदा.
So yeah.
Okay. So Raghav Rao is visible and not understood. Don't take my humanity as friendship. You were my enemy. You are and you will be.
हाँ, I told this dialogue to Sarika Dukan, alias Pallavi, alias. राघव राव दिखता नहीं है, बस समझ में आता है. It's something like that.
हाँ.
Yes.
मेरी इंसानियत को दोस्ती मत समझना, तुम मेरा एनिमी था, है और रहेगा.
पता नहीं अभी भी मुझे पल्लवी एनिमी सोचती है कि नहीं. सोचती होगी, इसलिए उसने मुझे मारा था. एकदम दमदार मारा.
बहुत मारा था. I saw that scene. हाँ, next one. I am the hero, but this shop of sari is not my heroine.
हाँ, मैं हीरो हूँ, लेकिन ये मेरा हीरोइन नहीं है.
सारी का दुकान मेरा
सारी का दुकान. Yes. This is a scene where Pallavi gets kidnapped with random guys and I come and save her, but that guy is like, तू क्या हीरो है क्या? मैं बोलता हाँ मैं हीरो हूँ, लेकिन ये मेरा हीरोइन नहीं है.
ये मेरा हीरोइन नहीं है. Okay. So man is not good or bad, only situation is good or bad.
No, I didn't get you.
Man is not good or bad, only the situation is good or bad.
हाँ, इंसान सही या बुरा नहीं होता, situation सही या बुरा, something is that. Yeah, I remember this dialogue too.
Okay, this is the dialogue. Yes. So next one. I didn't do a talk with her. She came, did her blah blah blah, cooked my mind and gone.
हाँ, this is a dialogue where Vijay Deshmukh comes to my house and she is like, मैं से बात नहीं करो, वो आई यहाँ आई और blah 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 blah. मेरा दिमाग पका के चली गई वो.
पका के चली गई वो.
I know.
So the next one. This is the last one. Before speaking a dialogue, understand its meaning too, because there is a lot of danger in messing with me. एक गुंडों को बोला था dialogue.
Yes, बहुत my first episode. Dialogue बोलने से पहले इसका मतलब भी समझ होना, ऐसा बोला था, एक समझ होना. हाँ, नाम राघव राव. I remember this.
क्योंकि मेरे से पंगा लेने में बहुत खतरा है.
बहुत खतरा है. Yes, I remember. It's yeah.
We are done with all the questions.
This dialogue was not there in the script actually. This dialogue was given by Hemant sir. He told that you say something like this. Then we modified the dialogue in our own style and everything, and then that's how we did it. It came fantastic.
I'm done with all the questions. Let me take some more questions if I missed out some, so your fans can tell me.
Oh yeah, please.
Just one of the.
Yeah.
What is your dream role?
What? My dream role? I think my fans have been knowing my dream role. Maybe like I want to do a spy thriller movie, something like a Bond movie. So they might be knowing. I have said a lot of times. I've told a lot of times. So yeah.
Okay. There are more coming. Will you do daily soap in Hindi again?
Definitely, I'll do. If the story is good, if the character is good, definitely I'll do it. क्योंकि मुझे दूसरे roles करना बहुत interest है, and even people will love it. Like they'll love to see other like different shades of Sai, different shades of Ketan too.
Yes. So someone is asking, what is your favorite dish that you can cook?
My favorite dish, I can cook biryani, chicken biryani.
It's your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. I've taken all the questions that I saw.
So that's the thing.
Maybe there are many coming. Yeah, there are many questions. How can I take each and every? There are hundreds of questions coming.
Favorite actor in Telugu, Prabhas. There's a question here. Favorite actor in Telugu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do any kind of prank on any co-star?
I haven't done yet.
Yeah.
I'll be doing soon.
Okay. Make a behind the scene video, everyone will see.
Yeah, definitely. I'll try. How
Shivangi
good
is here
Shivangi
again
as co-actor?
in the comments.
Oh, she's asking us, how good Shivangi as a co-actor? Definitely amazing. Oh yeah, you're a fantastic co-actor, Shivangi. That's good.
Okay. So we are done with all the questions. Lastly, what would you like to say to your fans?
My fans, they have been a strong pillar to me and the whole show, and of course, they are supporting the show from day one itself. We started our telecast in February, and they are supporting us. So thank you so much, and please keep loving us, and please keep supporting us. And of course, please do the edits and all. You do a lot of edits, of video edits and photo edits. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yes.
So definitely, I'll be
And
using.
do watch the show.
Achha, so yeah, please. So just keep on supporting, and that's it. That's what I expect. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for coming in live with me. Thank you so much. Like literally. You
Thank you.
came finally.
Thank you so much, Molly. Bye. Have a
Okay.
good.
Thank you. All the best. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. So that was it of the live. I hope you all liked it. Now I'm going. Thank you. Take care. Bye.